Enlarging a hole in a steel plate to accommodate a larger bolt is a common task in both metal fabrication and repair work. One of the most versatile and effective tools for achieving this is the carbide burr. These rotary cutting tools, made from extremely hard tungsten carbide, are designed to shape, deburr, and enlarge metal with precision and efficiency, making them particularly well-suited for modifying existing holes in tough materials like steel. To begin, it's important to understand what a carbide burr is and why it's the tool of choice for this job. Carbide burrs are small, cylindrical, or shaped attachments that fit into rotary tools such as die grinders or drills. Their cutting surfaces are engineered to rapidly remove metal, even from hardened steel, without dulling quickly. The intricate patterns of flutes or teeth on the burr's surface allow for smooth material removal and help prevent snagging or chatter, which can be a concern when working with harder metals. Before starting the enlarging process, ensure that you have the correct size and shape of carbide burr. For enlarging a round hole, a cylindrical or ball-shaped burr is typically best, as it will help maintain the circular geometry of the hole. Safety is paramount, so always wear eye protection, gloves, and hearing protection. Secure the steel plate firmly, either in a vise or with clamps, to prevent movement during the operation, which helps ensure accuracy and safety. Begin by inserting the carbide burr into your rotary tool, making sure it's tightened securely. Set the tool to an appropriate speed. Generally, higher speeds are more effective for carbide burrs, but you should always start at a moderate speed to maintain control and gradually increase as you become comfortable with the tool's handling. Position the burr at the edge of the existing hole. It's best to start by gently running the burr around the inner circumference of the hole, applying light, consistent pressure. The goal is to gradually shave away the steel rather than forcing the tool, which could cause it to bind or skip. Work slowly and methodically, keeping the burr moving to avoid creating uneven spots or overheating a particular area. Overheating can discolor the steel or damage the burr, so if you notice excessive heat buildup, pause periodically to let things cool down. As you continue, periodically stop and check the size of the hole with the new bolt or a caliper. This ensures you don't remove too much material, which could result in a hole that's too large for the bolt to fit securely. It's better to take several passes, removing a small amount of material each time, than to try to enlarge the hole in a single attempt. One of the advantages of using a carbide burr is the clean finish it produces. As you reach the desired diameter, make a final pass around the hole to smooth the edges and remove any burrs or sharp spots left behind. This not only improves the appearance of the work, but also reduces the risk of injury or damage to the bolt during installation. After achieving the correct size, clear away any metal shavings or debris from the hole and surrounding area. Inspect the hole for roundness and smoothness, making any additional adjustments if necessary. The result is a precisely enlarged hole that will securely accommodate the larger bolt, all achieved efficiently and safely with the right carbide burr tool. By following these steps, you can confidently use carbide burr tools to modify steel plates, ensuring strong, reliable connections in your metalworking projects.